Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, it is Peach Day. Peach Day, y'all. I'm going to pick up my peaches like I do every June. Beautiful day out here today. And y'all know I always go to the KATY Mills Mall over here in Katy. I've been doing this for the past, this is my 10th year. I ordered the peaches. Y'all been watching me before. I ordered my peaches, pre-ordered them. And this year was kind of weird, y'all, because they kept telling me they didn't have peaches. They didn't have peaches. I couldn't pre-order them. And I didn't think I was going to get any this year because they had, with the weather and the freeze and stuff like that, peaches wasn't available they wasn't available to come down here and deliver them like they usually do. My God, I got an email 2 weeks ago that they've come into the Houston area. They got 5 stops today, and they're going to be here in the KATY Mills Mall between 12:30 and 1:30 today. So it's about 12:15 right now. And by the time I pull up, they probably not there yet, but we'll see. So I'm scheduled between 12:30 and 1:30, and then they're going to head over to Cypress over there and drop off some over there. So I'm excited. My plan this year, I do peach jam, peach preserve, peach whole. I'm doing one type of peach this year, and I'll tell y'all why later when I make them. I'm doing clean peaches and heavy syrup. That way, I can always turn them to something else. I don't know why I didn't think of this before, so I'm going to let them ripen up, which I'll explain all that when I get them back home. The process it takes to ripen, but they're not ripe. It takes about a week to 10 days before they're ready to eat. But with that being said, I'm just going to make peaches and heavy syrup. That's what I'm going to do. Enjoy them, put them in jars, and that's it. Very simple, very easy. And I just passed up the mall because I was talking to y'all. I got to take the next exit and come back up. Well, I sure did. I just passed them all up. The mall right there, y'all. I'm running my mouth, y'all, and missed my exit. See KATY Mills Mall there to my left. Bye, KATY Mills Mall. I just missed my exit. So I'm going to go down here to the next exit, which is, I think Buc-ee's is the next exit. No, not Buc-ee's. The exit for Buc-ee's. But anyway, as I was saying before I missed my exit, I'm going to let them ripen up. I'm going to peel them. I'm going to put them in, make me some nice simple syrup. And put them in simple syrup like that and can them, do the canning method, and that's it. That's why I like to eat my peaches anyway. Just take them out of the jar and just eat them right there. Because I'll take the seeds out and all that. That's the best way to eat peaches. So that's the plan this year, y'all. So I'll be back once I get to KATY Mills. Eventually I'll get there, y'all. If I don't keep mixing these exits. And I'll be back once I get there, and I'll show y'all the peach truck. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. And this mall is 12:30 in the mall, y'all. I do not come to malls. And I do not come to malls. Let's see if the peach truck is here yet. I don't see it. Usually it sits over here. Right around here, and I don't see it yet, y'all. It's on this side of the mall. Definitely don't see it yet. It usually sits right here, y'all. So I don't think it'd be anywhere else. Let me pull up in here. Yeah, but usually they right here on this side of we had a little chat, y'all, about the Burlington Coat Factory. Burlington, man, that store is huge and it's a mess. It had nothing to do with the peace video, y'all, but if you was in my Monday afternoon chat last week, this past Monday, we were talking about Burlington Factory over there. Man, I've been in that store one time. It's huge, and it is like what they call it? Scavenger hunt. It's like stuff everywhere, just pile on top. It's like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and all that on steroids. I never go back in that store again. It's like, how do you find what you want in here? But that ain't got nothing to do with the peach store. Yeah, the peach truck usually is right here, y'all. So I'm going to make us ride around the whole mall, y'all, and see kind of if I'm just late, are they just late or what? Because you see other people here pulling in, look like they're waiting on the peach truck. So anyway, I'll be right back once I find out where it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, y'all, this is going to be a 2-part video, 2-day video. I just looked at the date they adjusted. It's going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow, y'all, is when they're going to be here. They're in Houston today, but it's very unusual. They're doing 3 stops today in Houston area and 3 stops tomorrow. I don't know why they ain't doing them all in one day like they usually do. So I'll be back, y'all, once I get back here tomorrow. Katy Mills Mall tomorrow. They here between 12:30 and 1:30. Thank God I ain't got nothing to do tomorrow, and I'm in the area in town tomorrow. If not, I would be messed up. I wouldn't have no peaches, but I looked at my schedule and said, thank God I will be here in Katy tomorrow. Because you know I be both places, Dallas and Houston area. So anyway, y'all, I'll be back tomorrow. Y'all sit tight. It'll be about 2 seconds on YouTube time, but I'll be back tomorrow. We'll get our peaches. We'll be back. See y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, we are back here. Day 2. See that sign right there? What does the sign say? Can I zoom in? Fresh peaches that way. So we're gonna get our peaches. It is the next day, y'all. And just say they changed the date, or if I misread the date, I might have misread the date. So the peach truck should be over here. Like I was telling y'all yesterday, this is Typhoon, Texas, y'all. To my left. Did I show y'all that yesterday? It's a water park right here in Texas, right here in Katy. And I've never been in it. You know, I don't do water parks. I don't swim and float and do all that stuff that's related to water. So yeah, it's been there about maybe 6, 7 years. I've never been there. Yeah, but anyway, the reason we coming, y'all, is to the peace truck here, and I definitely see it today. I definitely see it straight ahead there. So we're gonna see. You know, I pre-ordered my peaches, so I guess they have extra too. I was telling my auntie about them, and I was thinking she was gonna go get one and come get some. She say, "Just save me some of yours." And I go, "Okay, I will do this." So hopefully I can get these things all done and ripened and good to go because I got the week of the 4th of July. I'll be in Vegas. I need to get them all ripened and canned up before I leave to Vegas because I don't want them to kind of ripen the week I'm in Vegas. I get back and they overripe. So that's definitely something I don't want to do. But yeah, the peace truck right here in front of me. You have to watch these people where they ride through the mall like crazy, like they on the Indianapolis 500. So now let me park right here, y'all, and show y'all. You can see the peace truck right there in front of us. See that right there in front of us. So anyway, y'all, the line is long too. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. And that's it right there, y'all. Peace truck here. I don't want to walk out in front of nobody. Let me give y'all a peace truck right there. And I think they're in Georgia. They say delivering the joy established 2012. I think I've been getting them since 2012. I've been getting them every year they've been coming here. So I say it's been about 10 years. It's been almost 10 years that I've been getting them. So you can see the line here. People here. Let me show you the line of people. See the people right there in line? Right there. Got a long line of people right there getting their things. So anyway, y'all, I'll be back once I get my peaches. We'll check them out. Y'all can see all the people in line right here. They got a lot of peaches on their truck there. And they was in Houston yesterday. I don't know if they come back, had 2 different trucks come or what, but I never seen this many people in line to start. Usually I come and I get the peaches and walk right out, but it's a long line of people, so I guess it's just really popular this year. So you see all the people here. The mall is right there. So and it got a whole semi full of peaches, y'all. Full. So everybody know how good these peaches are. So definitely. So anyway, we'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back here. All right, y'all, I got a little smaller box. I only got 10 pounds this year. Look at that, which is more than enough peaches. Because I told y'all what I'm going to do with them. But this them right here. So anyway, I will be right back here. Once I get home and spread them out on the table and share exactly how I store them, how I ripen them and everything. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, got my peaches here. And what I do, y'all, I'll spread them right out here on my dining room table. and it usually take a week for them to get right. You'll definitely smell them. You see how they look now? They'll look totally different, y'all, after they ripen up. And like I told y'all, I already have peach preserve and peach jelly left. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do all these in jars. I'm gonna do clean peaches with heavy syrup. That way, if I need to make a peach cobbler or peach ice cream, stuff like that, I can still um, have room to I have peaches I can kind of use these peaches and turn it into something else. Y'all can see I still have stuff over here from last year. I got chow chow still left here. I got my green beans there and potatoes. I got grape jelly, plum jelly, uh uh blueberry blackberry jelly, and I got preserves here also. So yeah, so I'm good on that. I might make a little bit more peach, plum jelly, because I think I'm running low of that. But I supposed to give all this away last year. Didn't do the meet and greet, but this year I'm definitely doing a meet and greet in October. And all this canned goods and stuff I'm going, 75% of it, I'm giving away. Getting it out of here where next time I have room to replenish more. I just love canning my stuff and giving it away. I just can like my mom used to do. Can and give it away. And y'all already know I got all this to give away too. This coming October in my meet and greets. My blackberry jelly, grape jelly, and plum jelly. So anyway, y'all, I just want to show y'all how I do this. Piece they wasn't supposed to have them. And they like I say, they emailed last minute and say they're gonna have some here, and I got lucky. So if you got Peach Truck going in your area, go to peachtruck.com. They've been around since 2012. I've been getting them ever since they've been around, y'all. They the best peaches it is. Yeah, it's no, and they have peaches here in Fredericksburg, but they're not like these, y'all. These come out of Georgia and absolutely amazing. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.